Hi, I'd like to welcome you to the Seduction Workshop, and I know that you're here because you want people to be drawn towards you. You want people to love you. Let's get into the first lesson, where I'm going to teach you the first steps that you need to know in order to be successful in the art of seduction. Introducing yourself to people that you don't know is a ton of fun. Being able to seduce them is extremely powerful, and I want you to have that power. That's why I created this workshop. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to understand that there is invisible energy everywhere around you. Look around you. Do you understand that all of the bits and pieces of everything, literally your table, your bed, your lamp, everything around you, your apartment, the walls, the ceiling, it's all composed of atoms and materials. That is energy that is moving. Now with this energy moving all around us, we're going to focus specifically in on these sets of workshop videos on how to understand this energy and to be able to play with it. Because if you're the type of person who doesn't understand and doesn't relate with the fact that energy is invisible, then we're going to have a problem. So I want to use the great example of speaking about the wind. Now when you look outside and you see the wind blowing, do you see it blowing? No, you don't see it blowing, because all you see are the effects of invisible energy. Wind is invisible. You can only see the effects of the wind. So this proves to you that yes, energy is invisible. So we must have that comprehension. Now the energy that we pass between each other as people is extremely important. You right now are absorbing my energy and I'm giving it out to you. And that's how energy exchanges actually happen. Energy exchanges happen all day. Every person you talk to, you are actually interchanging large amounts of energy with them. You are understanding that they're taking your energy on and you're taking their energy on. And before we could ever get into any strategies that will help you, you need to understand you're going to be giving your energy and you're going to be taking energy that is completely invisible but extremely real. Since we're talking about an attractive mentality, since we're talking about invisible energy, we might as well mention the law of attraction. I personally believe that there are several irrefutable laws that exist in this galaxy, and one of them is the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that what you put out, you get back. Now that's completely invisible and in perfect alignment with what we're going to understand and comprehend here, which is invisible energy, right? So with this being said, we're ready to take this step forward. But before we even go there, I want to talk about a concept that is very important for you to understand, which is self-awareness. And going a level deeper than that, understanding. So when I'm talking about understanding, I'm talking about understanding that what other people think about you is important. Some people say they don't give a shit about what other people think, and I don't think that is a great way to go about life. Rather, I'm not saying that you should be some sort of phony person and be self-centered and really on the outside be friendly or anything like that. I'm not saying that at all. But what I am saying is, I do want you to care about the things that other people think about you. Who are you known as amongst the people that actually care about you, that you actually show yourself to, that you actually are real and true with? What do they think about you? Do my friends think I'm smart? Do they think I'm silly? Do they think I'm funny? What do they think I'm good at? What do they think I'm bad at? Now when you put yourself in someone else's shoes and you begin to take that look into yourself and go, what do they think about me? There is value in that. You can take away stuff from that, and that's what I want to do, because I need you to take an exercise. And this exercise is to ask yourself, what do other people think about me? So now that you understand the interconnectedness between you and I and everybody else and all of the energy forces in the world, we need to go to the next step, where we're going to consider and understand the mentality that we have to have, a mentality of helpfulness, a mentality of friendliness. And we're going to get into that on some deep stuff in order to get you ready to seduce anybody that you'd like to. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great afternoon.